First of all, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Today I will be discussing about antiderivatives or integration, which is also reverse process of derivative. Integration of fx dx. This is indefinite integral because limiting values, like here you can write b and here you can write a. If these limiting values are given, it gives definite values, which is definite integral, and here a is called lower limit and b is called upper limit. There are some rules of integration. In number 1 you can see there is constant rule. In constant rule, if integration of k fx dx is given by k outside of the integration sign, then you can write fx dx where k is constant or any number. You can see k here. In number 2 we have some rule, that is integration of fx1 dx plus minus fx2 dx. You can write integration of fx1 minus fx2 dx or integration of fx1 minus fx2 dx. For example, integration of x square plus 3x minus 2 can be written as x square dx plus 3 outside the integration sign dx minus 2 1. There are some formulas of integration. In number 1 you can see integration of 1 dx, that is equals to x plus c where c is any constant. In number 2 you can see integration of x dx, that is equals to x square by 2, that is x to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. Integration of x to the power n dx, that is equals to x n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c where c is any constant. In number 4, that formula is very important. Integration of 1 by x dx, that is equals to log x plus c. Integration of ax plus b to the power n dx, that is equals to ax plus b upon n by ax plus b to the power c. This formula number 4 you can see 1 by x dx where 1 is numerator and x is denominator. If you do derivative of x, then you will get 1. If you are getting numerator part, then you can write log x and denominator part plus any constant, right? Any problem of integration, you have to know the formula. In formula number you can see integration of ax plus b to the power n, that is ax plus b to the power n by ax plus b plus c. This a comes here, you have to remember that. In 7 derivative of sine is cos, but if you are doing integration you have to remember like derivative of sine is minus, integration of sine is minus cos x, If you are doing derivative of trigonometric function, then you have to know these following formulas, that is 9 number, 10 and 11 number. In question number 12, you can see integration of ax plus b to the power minus 1 dx. You can write integration 1 by ax plus b dx. Then this can be written as this, then again multiply by 1 by a, then you will get this. If you will do derivative of ax plus b, if you will do derivative of ax plus b, then you will get a. According to the rule, if the numerator comes, then you can write log. You can write log, then you can write this here. Plus any constant. Here are some important questions you can see. In number 1, you can see integration of x square minus 5. You can just multiply with x and separate the integration sign. Like that becomes x integration x cube dx minus 5 integration sign x dx. You have to know the formula, like integration of x to the power n. Now we have formula integration of x to the power n equals to integral x to the power n equals to x n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is that is 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1, that is 4, minus 5 as it is, and integration of x is equals to x square by 2 plus c. You can see here pointer of some pen. You can see here. Now that becomes x to the power 4 by 4 minus 5 x square by 2 plus c. Now you can take 1 by 2 common, that becomes your. In 2 number we have integration of ax square plus bx plus c upon x square. Now you can divide numerator by x square, then you get integration of a by b by x plus c by x square dx. Then you can just separate the integration sign, that becomes a integration of 1 dx plus b by integration of 1 by x dx plus c by 1 by x square dx. Now you can apply formula and get the answer, that is integration of 1 dx, that is a integration of 1 dx is x plus integration of 1 by x, that is equals to log x, that is b as it is, then it becomes log x. Integration of 1 by x square, you get minus c by x. You can apply formula and just get the answer, that is c by x plus c, where c is any constant. You can write ax plus b log x minus c by x plus c, where c is any constant, is the answer of the question. In question number 3 we have integration of x plus 1 by x plus 3 whole square dx. You can solve this integration by using the formula integration of ax plus b to the power n. You can write integration x dx plus x plus 3 minus 2, that is reciprocal dx. And simply you can use this formula integration of ax plus b to the power n equals to ax plus b to the power n by ax plus b. That you will get x square by 2 plus x plus 3 minus 1 by minus 1 plus c, that is equals to x square by 2 minus 1 by x plus 3, where c is any constant, is the answer. So number 4 we have integration of 3x square minus 5x plus 2 upon x dx. You can just divide with the denominator, that is divide by x, then you will get integration over 3x minus 5 plus 2 by x dx. Then just separate the integration sign, that becomes 3 integration x dx minus 5 integration dx plus 2 1 by x dx. Now we have to know the formula of integration of x dx, that is equals to x square by 2 pointer option pen, that is x square by 2. Now integration of 1 dx, that is equals to x 5 as it is plus x. Now integration of 1 by x dx, that is equals to log x 2 as it is log x plus c is the answer. 3x square by 2 minus 5x plus 2 log x plus c is the required answer. Question number 5 we have integration of x plus 3 by x minus 3 dx. You can write x minus 3 plus 6 by x minus 3, that becomes your integration of x minus 3 plus 6 by x minus 3 dx. That is equal. Now you can separate numerator and denominator and integrate it, that is this and this, x minus 3 cancel, that becomes integration of 1 dx plus 6 integration 1 by x minus 3 dx, that is equals to integration of 1 is x plus 6 log x minus 3 plus c, x plus 6 log x minus 3 plus c is the answer. In question number 6 we have integration of x square plus 5 by x plus 2, that you can write integration of x square minus 4 plus 9 by x plus 2 dx. That is, you can separate numerator and denominator with integration sign, that becomes x square minus 4 by x plus 2 dx plus integration of 9 by x plus 2 dx. Then you can write a square minus b square equals to a plus b a minus b, then this and this you can cancel out. That becomes integration of x dx minus 2 1x dx plus 9 1 by x minus 2 dx, and this is your answer. In question number 7 we have integration of e to the power 2x plus e to the power x plus 1 by e to the power x dx. You can divide each term by e to the power x, and you can separate the integration sign and use the formula. That becomes integration of e to the power 2x by ex plus ex by ex plus 1 by e to the power x dx. That becomes integration of e to the power x plus 1 by e to the power minus x dx. You can use this formula. You can use this formula and get the answer. Question number 8, we have integration root over 1 plus sine 2ax dx. That becomes integration root over cos square ax plus sine square ax plus 2 sine ax dot cos ax dx. That is equals to sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, and this sine 2 ax equals to sine 2 theta, that is equals to 2 sine theta dot cos theta. That is root under cos ax plus sine ax whole square dx. That is this gets cancelled, root 2 and root 2. You can write integration cos ax plus sine ax dx. That is, you can separate integration sign, integration of cos ax dx plus integration of sine ax dx. Integration of cos is sine and integration of sine is minus cos. That is sine ax by a minus cos ax by a plus c is the answer. Sine to the power 4x dx. You can write integration over sine square x whole square dx. Now you can use some multiple angle formula. That is sine square x equals to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. That becomes 1 by 4 integration 1 minus cos 2x plus 1 by cos 4x by 2. Cos squared 2x equals to 1 plus cos 4x by 2. Then open the bracket and add 2 plus 3. You will get 1 by 8 integration 3 minus 4 cos 2x plus cos 4x dx. Then 1 by 8. Then separate the integration sign. Then take LCM and get the answer. 1 by 32, 12x minus 8 sine 2x plus sine 4x plus c. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video. Thank you.